Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how to use Metasploit and hack into a server. So Metasploit is a set of tools, or I should say exploits that exist. I'm using Kali Linux, which has the Metasploit module in it. And on the right hand side, we've got Metasploitable, which is a test environment that you can run your exploits against. And today we'll be running our exploit against the server 192.168.0.43. So to begin, let's do an nmap scan against the server. So I'm going to do a service scan, which tells you what services are running on that server to the right. Now, in a real penetration test, you would have dozens, sometimes hundreds of servers. So this is just an example. So let's let that run. Okay, so we've come back with a lot of stuff, which is not surprising considering this is a test environment designed to be broken into. But if we look at the first service, VSFTPD 2.3.4, and let's check if there's an exploit for that. So we start up MSF console, which is Metasploit. Okay, so we're in. So what we can do is search for the service to see if Metasploit has an exploit for it. So let's do a search for VSTPD. Okay, so it does have a backdoor exploit that should let us get in. So in order to use this, we have to do use and the name of the exploit. There it is. Copy selection. All right, paste. Okay, so let's run this. Ah, it did not work. Why is that? Because we haven't told it what to run it against. Although these two machines are on the same network, which I'm using a VirtualBox with two machines in it, using a bridged network, we have to specify what we're attacking. So the format is set our hosts, remote hosts, which we know is 192.168.0.43. Okay, so now our exploit has this payload or this option selected. Now we can press run and let's see what happens. Okay, looks like so far so good. Oh, found a shell. And we're in. So let's just check if that's the case first by doing an ifconfig to give us the IP address, which is 192.168.0.43. So we are in our target machine. Now let me just cancel that. Let's have a look at what's in here. And okay, so we have access to all these folders. So immediately the first thing I would look for is the CD etc. And then let's list what's in that. Shadow. Shadow is where passwords are stored. So if I do cat shadow, now these are all the users and passwords on the system. Now these passwords are hashed, so some of them are quite, some of them will, all of them will need cracking, which is another video. But for now, we can kind of take these passwords and we will probably try to concentrate on MSF admin, the SQL, and root, of course, and we can use tools such as John the Ripper or Hashcat to crack these passwords. But in a nutshell, that's a network level attack using Metasploit, which is an exploit library or database, whatever you want to call it, and running it against a service. And that is basic network penetration testing. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next video.